Demo day! Woo! We called a bunch of our friends, made a huge list, got a 20-yard dumpster, and got to smashing. We wore Tyvek suits, respirators, goggles, gloves, everything to make sure that we were really well protected, knowing that this stuff was really quite gross. There was mold, there was pet stains, there was just junk everywhere, so we had to really make sure that we were covered. This footage isn't great, we're amateurs, but here's some time lapse. I didn't really catch much of inside because I only had the one camera, but you still can see just how much we had to drag out of that house, piece by piece by piece. It really was a big process. We ripped out all the kitchen cabinets, all the vanities, every inch of carpet and flooring, baseboards, doors, everything had to go. Here's some little snapshots of each room by the end of that day. Still a lot of work to go, but you can see the progress already. The house smelled so much better just by getting that carpet out of there, and we could then move on to the next steps. So keep checking back in. There's a lot more to do, including more demo, and soon the final end result.